to show you the 2021 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, fog lamps. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.